Oh boy, we're coming to you live from under the truck. Except not really live, this is pre-recorded. And I am recording to you as I try and break loose the transmission oil pan. Because just like you, I am morbidly curious if I'm going to break this apart properly or am I going to fucking wear it? Let's find out. Come on, girl. Rubber gasket. Now, I don't know if I have these all unscrewed enough to really let me get my fingies in there. Well, that's not true. Okay, so we got one. I'm going to set you right. Why are you dripping from this side? I want you dripping from this side where I'm at, not this side. You son of a bitch. Well, you see the shit I deal with here. This guy right here. I'm about 10 to 1 saying I'm going to be wearing a whole hell of a lot of transmission oil. Like the over-under on this is, yeah. Alright, fun fact. It's dripping in the area I don't want it to drip. Come on, girl. Give me a little bit of love. Back a little smash. Oh yeah, bashing my head off the fucking jack. That's fun. It'd be even more fun if that jack gave way in the transfer case. Came down and just bashed me in the skull. He goes night-night. I don't even know where the hell to aim this fucking bucket anymore. Well, here's the thing I can do. Try and get levels down a little bit. I can pop that transmission tube, and maybe that'll relieve some pressure. There it is. Come on out. Daddy loves you. Yay! Let the strawberry syrup flow. Oh, it's so good. Let's do more arm push-ups. All right, take two. Am I gonna fucking wear this juice or what? Ooh, there's a nice puddle. Hey there, guy. I don't want to land in you. That would suck. Ah, the fucking jack right there. How do I keep forgetting about you? It's always a... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I see it dripping. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Well, these guys, right, like, here-ish. Otherwise, it's gonna fucking tsunami on me. You guys laugh. I would cry. Like, not because it was a sad moment, but because transmission fluid in the eyes. No, don't drop the bolt in the juice. Nobody wants you to drop the bolt in the fruit punch. Yes. I like that. Very yes. Perfect. Alright, that boy's not going anywhere. That I know of. I can get back to tapping on knocking on his door. Oh, baby. There it is. Come on. Oh! And it went wrong. It went so wrong. It's everywhere. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do not drop the bolt in the fruit punch. Don't drop it in the high C, buddy. Hey, I've got the bolt. It's in. Oh, oh, oh. Don't make that noise at me. Oh. All right. Drop it. Here we go. Give me them fluids. Oh, oh boy. Oh boy. Controlled chaos, please. Oh. And I left the one in front, so I gotta reach around a waterfall to get to it. You dummy. You fucking idiot. Oh my god, I'm freaking covered. Let me scoop my butt here like I have worms. By the end of this, I might have worms. Who knows? And this is where things could go so wrong. Or so right. Holding tools while your hands are super oily. Not easy. Just don't drop anything in the oil. Anything's finger tight if you're strong enough. Alright. It's about to get really like messier than it did. No! Fuck! Well, we're bobbing for bolts now. Scrub-a-dub diddly-dub the connectors the best I could. They're, you know, somewhat copper looking now. That's probably a plus. Got the bolts out of them. Had to, I don't know, took a hacksaw blade and just worked my way across them. So yeah, I got distracted doing that while the transmission kind of did its thing. Now, I am moderately shocked by this guy right here. Like, I haven't emptied it out, but the inside of this oil pan is, you know, pretty damn clean. So chalk this up as the first thing on the truck that I'm actually somewhat happy about. Yay! So after I get the splash zone cleaned up down there, next order of business is going to be detaching these transmission coolant lines, which go all the way back there. And then I have the fun, pleasure, and joy of feeding the new ones back there. So, yep, we'll see how that goes. Oh, mama, look at that baby sparkle. She's gonna be the prettiest girl at the dance. Slow progress is progress. Safety glasses, they'll save your life. Or in this case, save my eyeballs from getting transmission oil in them. Which may or may not have happened because I wasn't wearing my safety glasses when I crawled under there after dinner. Yeah, that burned a little bit. Got a little bit of work on my hand. That's good. Unfortunately, we got to stop for the night because go figure, the transmission coolant lines are on there with yet another tool that I don't have. So it's off to the hardware store tomorrow to purchase a 16mm wrench. Everything else is just rounding off the bolt. Yeah. I'm hoping the engine bay will be all tidied up and the transmission will be put together tomorrow. Just gonna let that drip dry and just keep dripping. Keep dripping. Dripping that Kool-Aid.